Waste, so much waste. As Canadians, we are one of the most wasteful cultures and countries on earth. Yikes! After each meal, we throw out food scraps that exceed the nutritional value and the entire daily caloric intake of many people in poor countries. Farmers are encouraged to plow under crops if the selling price is not sufficiently high to make them worthwhile to harvest. Just complete waste. The packaging of our overpriced, unhealthy fast food litters our streets and waterways and will remain for years in our landfill sites. Children's toys come packaged in layers of non-biodegradable plastics that add to the waste. Our chemical factories produce toxic substances that, when disposed of, cannot break down for thousands of years and contaminate the water, our soil, and us. We are encouraged to buy new gadgets even when our old ones are working fine, which uses so much resources and produces toxic electronic waste. How many of these have you guys gone through in the last several years? Even our supermarkets sell us food that is heavily overpackaged. And water? Clean water comes from our taps, but we buy it in plastic, single-use disposable bottles. We use disposable batteries and razors and other items of convenience that rapidly end up in the landfill. Clothes are worn for a season or two and then disposed of for newer styles. Being raised in this culture, it seems normal to us. It is only when we are exposed to the daily lives of people from other cultures that we can see our excessive wastefulness and start to see the toll it has on our environment. To begin to understand our wastefulness, we need to first explore the categories of waste that we produce. And that way, maybe we can start to make a difference.